Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device and let me share with you how to add the custom emoji shortcuts to the Samsung keyboard. So the first thing you need to do is to download the app, which is called Good Lock. You can find it in Google Play Store or Galaxy Store, so just download it and then tap on it. Now in those plugins we need to scroll and find Keys Cafe and tap on it, or Cafe. And now let's tap on keyboard here. As you can see here, we've got three options, so design, make and gesture. Let's focus on make. Just tap on it and choose your keyboard. So I'll pick the English one, so the one that is normally displayed, and tap on edit. So as you can see here, we can basically make the keyboard. So we've got the list of all available signs, all available actions, like for example paste, copy, all available letters, here all available signs, and here finally emojis. And I know you can think that, well, what is so different and special about this option, but let me share with you. So for example, let's pretend I'm using a lot of heart emoji during typing to someone. So all I need to do in order to make a shortcut is to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to my keyboard. For example, here, as you can see, right now it was applied. So let me use, for example, also the facepalm. So just tap on it and hold it and drag it whenever you want in the keyboard. Or this hand, tap on it and hold it, and for example I can bring it inside the keyboard. So let's pretend this is how I would like to use it. So just tap on this tick icon, we can name it whatever, just tap on save, and as you can see it is saved. So whenever I will open the keyboard right now, for example, I don't know, in the settings, here on the search, my device will show me the keyboard, and well, we've got a quick shortcut to actually type in emoji. As you can see, we can just type it like that. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.